Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to print a list of files. A proper file and folder structure can help you to find your files quickly. If you want to print a list of files and folder structure, then this video can help you. Getting a print of files and folder structure is very easy in Windows. Let's see the steps. Open File Explorer. Navigate the location of your saved files on your computer. Click on the View tab. In the Layout section, click on the List option. Press the Print Screen key on your keyboard. This will take the print shot of your opened screen. Type Paint in the Windows search bar at the bottom left. Click on the Paint app from the search result to open it. On the Home tab and in the Clipboard section, click on the Paste icon. This will paste the print shot of your screen. Make sure your image in the Paint app is selected, then click on the Crop tool from the toolbar. Now, crop the unnecessary area from the print shot. Click on the Customize Quick Access toolbar from the top left. Click on the Print menu from the drop-down menu list. Click on the Printer icon from the top. In the Print window, select your installed printer from the list. You can change the print file preferences as per your need. Click on the Print button at the bottom, and this will print your files list. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.